All right, we're on. We're on first grade state test, and we're doing the last three questions. Most likely, they're going to be 3 pointers, and we're going to go over as many questions and as many answers as we can. But for now, we're going to start with the question number 52. This is the 2016. It's a pretty old version of the state test, right?
Agreed.
But we'll see. All right. So let's just start and go ahead because we have about like 30 minutes to do that, and some of these questions take a while to actually solve and go over. Yeah, so let's go. Reggie read a 400-page book in 5 days. On the first day, he read 120 pages. Each day after, he read the same number of pages p. Okay. Write an equation that can be used to determine the number of pages p read on each day after the first day. Okay, so let's see. So let's see what we're having. He read a 400-page book in 5 days. On the first day, he read 120 pages. Each day after, same. All right, so it's going to be 400 minus 120. No, no. I wouldn't do it like that.
Yeah.
I would say 120. That's the first day plus, right? The remaining 4 days times the amount of pages per day, 4p, equals to 400.
Just saying, it can't be 12. But
And that's it. Using the equation, determine the number of pages that Reggie read each day after. And now we have to solve that equation. So again, like first day plus 4 days p pages each day
I think
equals
what,
to 400.
so
So the first step would be subtract. The only thing is that how come with the first grade stuff? That's you know what I mean. This is an like kind of like an algebra thing to do. You know what I mean? To create an equation first, right? And then to solve the equation algebraically, right?
I learned that.
I don't know. You know, it's not that easy. But in 2016, apparently that was normal. All right, 70. So 70 pages each. What did you get?
I didn't get that.
You didn't get that?
I got. I was.
What'd you get?
I know.
180? No, it's impossible to get 180 because 180 times 4,
missed
that's
it.
already more than 400-page book.
No.
Yeah, 180 times 4. 180 times
Oh.
4 is actually
I thought.
720.
No, I didn't. I didn't think it was times 4.
All right, so the answer is 70.
Okay.
And there we go. Obviously, we got it right. That's the equation. Yes. Actually, that's how I wanted to start it first. But I put
That's
equal.
American.
But I put equals 400 on the other side, which
So
is the
American.
same thing.
American British.
All right. So 280 divided by 4 equals p. 280. So this is a good answer. The only thing is that that's actually a normal way. First, you subtract the pages paid
Pretty decent.
read in the first day, and then divide the remaining by 4, right?
Very decent.
The only thing is that they checked, right? 120 and then plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. First day, second no, actually second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day adds up normally. It's a 3-point question right away. Next question.
Oh, I agree. I agree.
Same thing. Just divided by 4 was written like as a fraction, which is okay. and then just solved. 400 minus 120 is 280, and divided by 4 is 70. Very good.
3 points.
Didn't spend a lot of space, but at the same time got it fully right. So yeah, 70 is the
I'll
answer.
give him a 3.
Ooh. Well, this guy
He's Scrabble
doesn't.
guy.
Okay, so P times 4. Okay, plus 120 equals to 400. Messy, but
His name is Scrabble guy.
actually, this is kind of right. If this is 400, it doesn't. What does it say? Is it like zeros there?
400.
5 or something? What
no,
is that?
400 pages.
400, obvious, 400, but
It says
like,
he just kind of erased it.
yeah.
He's very messy.
Yeah. You know, students that know how to solve but don't know how to organize things, you know? We sometimes get those. A very high chance of making mistakes if you cannot organize your stuff. What is that? Like this goes here, this goes what? Like 6,
He tried.
somehow. Yeah.
This is his
1,
try.
2.
He
Yeah.
did all-
So that was like a trial and error thing.
Yeah, he's
Like tried 80, tried 60, tried 70. Trial and error is a legit way, but a very, very like you have to get lucky, you know, somehow.
and he did. And he got
Okay.
3 out of 3.
Okay. Moving on.
Okay, dokie. Let's continue with this. So on to the next one. 400 minus. Wait, we didn't read it. 400
minus 120 equals to.
280.
There is no
280
P.
divided
There is no P,
What
and
is
there's no.
P?
Yeah, this
by-
equation
No,
isn't.
there's P.
Yeah, but it doesn't count. It has to be in one equation.
Oh.
Now, 400 minus 120 is 280, and then 70 plus 70 plus 70. Okay, so no division, right? Could have divided.
Who cares?
72. Yeah,
Wow.
I know. The equation is wrong. The math is right. The answer is right. The equation is like a little, there is no P. In the equation, there should be like
A variable?
yeah, variable. Yes, you're right. All right, moving on. What is that? This is also not an equation. And at the same time, the answer is correct. No division though at all. Oh no, there is division here.
Long.
Yeah, that's okay.
How did he get
So
a
70
2?
pages.
How did
This,
he get a 2? Oh, without. He didn't write P. That's why.
yeah, no P. So, all right, what is that? That's not okay. That's already the answer, right? So he calculated already how many pages was that, and then just like split it, right? But that's not an
bit-
equation. Okay, no
A bit
variable.
dumb.
Look, it says determine the number of pages P, right? It says write an equation that can be used to determine the number of pages P.
Bro is so angry.
I think, yeah,
Bro
when they
just
say something like this,
hated
P has to be incorporated in.
Bro just hates P.
Okay, so 70
That's
math is good. All right. Again, another guy who like very, like very little written, very small.
Oh,
know,
he has it.
You know why this is incorrect?
Oh, yes.
Because there's divide by 5, that's 1.
Wait, what?
And it has to be like parentheses because
Yeah.
otherwise division would be done first, and that's wrong. So parentheses should have been here, and this should have been 4. That would be right. That would be a legit equation.
You got pretty close.
Oh, and the math is wrong. 280. Because divided by 5. Yeah, should have divided by 4. That's why I got 1.
So sad.
So kind of the correct way, almost the right equation, almost the right work, almost. Get you a 1 point. Congratulations. All right. Okay,
get
we're
a
getting
0.
to oh. The guy came up with a whole problem with like missing stuff, missing parts.
Oh. But he forgot P. We're in the southern hemisphere.
Yeah.
PP.
All right, so answer 70. After the first day, Reggie read 70 pages per day for the next 5 days. Not for the next 5 days, for the next 4 days. The 5 days was in total.
I think all of them are good at, all of them that took this math state test are good at ELA.
Okay.
I'm nervous for my stomach. And FYI, I have a state test tomorrow on Monday and Tuesday, and I'm pretty paranoid about it. Wait, where did he get 95 pages? 4 divided by 380? Where is it 380? Where's 380? Oh, I know what he did. He subtracted. Wait, what? That's true. How do you know it's...
No. First of all, they say write an equation. This is not an equation. No work. What is that? What is that? All wrong. 500. It says 400. Completely triple no. No, 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 no. I did more than triple, but still. No, 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 no. And you get 1?
Huh? No, we have to read the bottom. I want to read the bottom. Wait,
maybe because you subtracted like 400 minus 120, you got 380. Well, the math is here. Like, look, how can you subtract 120 from 400 and get 380? 380 is literally 20 units away from 400, right? So it was supposed to be 280. And then 380 divided by 4. So, it's like one on top of another. But I don't know, probably for the effort.
Let's read it.
Yeah, so this result, in addition to solution, okay, so. Okay. What is that equation? No.
0. This is for sure 0.
And then 400 minus 120 is 280. Oh, so close.
I bet on the
And all you had to do is just...
I bet on the market that this kid gets a 0.
Let's see. Yes. 280 pages per day.
Oh.
That's something that I don't understand how... Like, if your answer 280 pages per day, just try to add. Just try to see if your answer will give you 400.
Why are you turning into the crazy guy that has the addition from last
120 plus almost. If this guy would have wrote 4p there, that would be right.
And then he would.
And what is that?
You doesn't get the right answer.
120 plus 40 plus 40
you get like a
plus
1,
40
like,
plus 40 plus 40, 320.
You get a 0 for sure. 0.
And then decides that it's 30. I don't know. I don't see the logic. And once I don't see the logic, what's the...
I see the logic. They got a 0 for sure. Oh, this one? I like this one. It looks pretty good. I didn't show my work on this one.
All right.
But I think I'll get like a... Wait, could you look at it, how it is rated by?
Who?
This question.
This? So the corner ice cream shop is 3 different topics. The amounts of below the word shop at the end of the day.
Probably 3. Let's think.
Chocolate sauce, mayonnaise, gallon, strawberry sauce. The caramel sauce. What is the total amount of toppings? Okay, so look. What do you do? No. Okay. The corn ice cream shop has 3 different types of toppings. The amounts of shown below were on the shelf at the end of the day on Monday.
Okay, so let's do the math.
7, 8 gallon chocolate sauce.
Wait, we're supposed to subtract it? Or we're supposed to add it? Because I got confused. Were we supposed to add this, or were we supposed to subtracted, or was it like a different thing?
On Tuesday, the shop used 3/8 gallon of chocolate, 1/8 gallon of sugar. So let's see. It's just an addition and subtraction problem. Ooh. Monday, Tuesday, remaining.
What?
Monday, Tuesday,
He's
remaining. Okay. We
extraordinary.
actually, what we're gonna do? We're actually gonna go over this question separately. For now, we're gonna finish this stream, and we're gonna do our next